Hello guys, welcome back to another drone flight of On True Legend. Today we are in a place in northwest London. We're in a place called Kilburn in NW6. So without further ado, let's take off. So I just done a drone flight in Hackney in East London, then I just come over here to do a drone flight. Might as well use up this sunny day. I just turned off my controller by accident. It will reconnect. Good thing is it's auto landing. Alright, let's fly for real now. So what we're going to do, we're just going to do a 360-degree photo, and then we're just going to explore. So we're actually between two London boroughs right now. I'm taking off from the London borough of Camden, and the other side is the London borough of Brent. So we're between two London boroughs. So what we're going to do, we're going to do 360 photo. 360-degree photo is now complete. We're now going to zip around. Look at that train, look at that. Let's get a shot of that train. What we'll do first, we'll go towards, let's go towards Brent side. So half of this road, this side of the road is in Camden, and then the other side of the road, which is where we're going towards, is in Brent. So look at that. Our drone is in Brent. So what we're going to do, we're going to go towards the main part of the station. This is Kilburn station. As you can see, this is where the overground is. Bronsbury station. This is Bronsbury station. So we're just going to get a tour of that. And then we're going to get, so this is the Jubilee line. Jubilee line runs past here. And I believe the Metropolitan line runs past here. And I think that's what it is. The Metropolitan line goes quite fast. So let's just get a tour of the rail bridge. You can see the Jubilee line train. Let's get a tour of the other side. So that goes towards Wembley Park. The Metropolitan line train. Let's go towards down here. Then what we do, we just come back. I remember when I just flew in Hackney, I dropped my microphone at the launch point. I was walking slowly, around, and then I realised my mic fell off. And I was worried it might have fell off while I was walking, but it luckily fell exactly where I took off. Otherwise it would have been harder to find, but I luckily did find it. So you didn't hear me for a second, because I dropped it. The magnet just fell off, because when you wear thick clothing, the magnet's a lot weaker. So Jubilee line just pulling up at the station. See, the wind just picked up. It wasn't even that windy just a minute ago. What I'm going to do, I'm going to follow a train back towards here. I'm going to wait for a train. Actually, we've got a train coming here, look. I think that's the Jubilee line train. The fast trains, however, it's going to take time to pull up. Get a nice shot. A vertical. That's the fast train, that's the Metropolitan line. No, it's not Metropolitan line, it's another train. So you got the train coming here. Just keep going down. For that train. So the other side over here is an area called Hampstead. Let's go towards Hampstead. Finchley Road. Look at that nice shot. That is insane. Can't go that far because then we're going to lose range. Just there on there. West Hampstead. We've got another train coming here. Let's see how fast we can track the train. It's got another train coming. That's Finchley Road Station right over there. Just stay stacked for a while. What we'll do, we'll just come back now. I don't know, be too far. Let's get this tour of the neighbourhood in this area. Get a tour of the hood. Let's go towards the south side. I haven't been there yet. This is just the neighbourhood of the area. Yeah, let's go towards this area down here. So we'll go down here, there's a tennis court as you can see. So yeah, this is the main part. We haven't been down here before. Let's have a tour of down here. A lot of buildings in that area. It's quite a busy road. Let's go further down here. Let's just see what's down here first. Looks really busy down there. I'm gonna go down there. Actually, you know what? Let's get a close-up shot of this little building over here. I can see it clearly. I just want to see what that building's about. State. Look at that, it's a nice little shot that you can get. I can see pigeons going close to it, look. They're not going close to it, but like... What we'll do, just turn back around, we'll go back towards this area down here. Let's just see what's down there, innit? So yeah, it's just the Kilburn High Road, as you can see. We won't go as far, we'll just go towards here a little bit. Then what we'll do, we'll just start turning backwards, get an orbit shot. Get a shot of this little junction over here as well. Then let's track a car back. The thing is, it's slow moving traffic, which is the thing. And I want to move my drone faster. Let's go back towards the main part of Kilburn. Then we'll land the drone. Yeah, the sun's gone a little bit more harsh now, harsh shadows. Alright, let's land the drone now. Let's get a local shot of this area down here. Gotta be careful, it's like a swamp down there. Get a shot of these buses over here, Kilburn High Road. Get a low down shot of it. I haven't gotten a low down shot of it before. Alright, we'll bring out the drone now. Look at that, we're getting a nice shot of it coming back. Gotta move the drone away from the mic. I dropped my drone. I dropped it. It's a bit muddy now. I'm gonna have to clean it when I go home. Anyway, I'm gonna end this drone flight now. I hope you enjoyed this little drone flight. Got a little muddy drone now. That was an amazing 2 drone flights. I did one in Hackney. Oh, it's pretty much clean now, which is good. I'm gonna end the video now. Thank you for watching and I'll speak to you in the next one.